Welcome to a world of adorable crochet baby girl dress designs, where our stitches is filled with love, softness, and creativity. Crochet dresses for baby girls are among the most charming handmade motifs because they combine comfort, elegance, and timeless beauty. Whether you are looking for a delicate newborn frock, a colorful toddler dress, or princess-inspired party outfits, crochet baby girls dresses offer endless possibilities. These handcraft dresses are perfect for birthdays, baby showers, family gatherings, weddings, and but the most beautiful thing about crochet baby dresses is the unique handmade appearance. Each design carries a personal touch that cannot be found in factory-made clothing. The intricate patterns, soft tone textures, and decorative details such as flowers, bows, ruffles, and lace make every dress look special and memorable. For newborn babies, crochet dresses are often designed with gentle pastel shades such as pink, lavender, white, peach, and mint green. These colors create a sweet and delicate appearance. Newborn dresses typically feature lightweight and yarn and simple openwork patterns that keep the baby comfortable while adding elegance. Many designs include matching accessories like bonnets, boaties, and handbags. Princess style crochet dresses are especially popular for birthdays and celebrations. These dresses often feature full skirts, multiple layers, decorated flowers, satin ribbons, and pearl accents. Soft pink and cream are favorite colors, but many parents also choose royal shades such as burgundy purple and emerald green for a luxurious look. Getting square baby dresses are another delightful option. These dresses are made by joining colorful square motifs to create a vibrant and playful outfit. Still of crochet and knitting, baby girl dresses offer endless inspiration from delicate newborn frocks to elaborate princess outfits. There is design for every reason and season and occasion. Handmade crochet dresses combine beauty, comfort, and sentiment, making them treasured garments that families will remember for years to come. Photography outfits are another popular used for crochet baby dresses. Elegant patterns with matching accessories create unforgettable images that capture the innocence and sweetness of early childhood. These handmade outfits often become part of cherished family memories. Red and white dresses are preferred for Christmas, pastel dresses suit Easter celebrations, and bright floral designs are ideal for spring and summer events. Seasonal dresses make each occasion feel extra special. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. You can share it with your friends and crochet lovers. If you want to pick someone beautiful design, so watch whole video till the end. Comfort is just as important as beauty. Soft cotton or baby acrylic yarn ensures the dress feels gentle against delicate skin. Wearable stitches on carefully finished edge help the baby more freely and stay comfortable throughout the day. Thanks for watching.